ZenTest Automation, a Lighthouse performance framework built with Playwright, and TypeScript for repeatable, scheduled audits. To run the framework, first, let's go to the test URL JSON file. To change the URL we'll test for this demo. In this run, I'll just test 5 links. Also make sure the JSON format doesn't accept comma at the last URL, and then just hit save. Next is the Lighthouse config file. This file can run as it is, but if you like to modify some things, like Excel report name, simplified data.txt, and other config, you can do that as well. Now that everything is completed, we can proceed with running the framework. After running, you'll prompt it with Lighthouse Run option, and you can pick one of them for the current run, if you didn't choose within the specific time, which can be changed depending on your requirements. By the way, it'll choose the default option. I'll fasten the testing phase for you to see the report earlier. This will take some time depending on the URL you put in test URL JSON file. As you can see at the end of the run, there's some additional info like location of the report saved, the name of the zip file, and the overall duration of the current run. Let's go to the generated Lighthouse report. In here, you'll see all the data specified in the documentation. The HTML folder contains full, interactive Lighthouse reports for each page. These provide a user-friendly way to examine core Web Vitals scores in detail. The JSON folder stores raw, machine-readable audit data. These files are essential for programmatic parsing and integrating performance metrics into custom dashboards or historical databases. The log files serve as a primary audit trail for the entire testing session. These text files capture real-time technical events, including script execution steps and any warnings. They are an indispensable resource for debugging fail runs. The screenshot directory acts as the visual repository for the test execution. These images provide proof of life for the UI during the performance audit. These files are systematically mapped and embedded into the final Excel report to provide a visual context for performance metrics captured at specific timestamps. The report zip file bundles all artifacts into a single archive, minimizing storage size and ensuring faster transfer when sharing results or attaching them to tickets. The Lighthouse simplified data provides a breakdown of per URL details. It serves as a reference for key metadata, including performance scores, timestamps, and storage locations. The Excel report serves as a high-visibility source of truth, consolidating all URL results into a tabular format. It allows stakeholders to easily identify and analyze performance trends and overall website health. As soon as you open the Excel report, the system will perform a quick, automatic calculation to update the formulas. Once complete, you will be brought directly to the summary sheet. This dashboard features high-level bar and pie charts designed specifically for stakeholders and developers. These visuals provide an immediate, bird's-eye view of the audit results, allowing your team to identify the best and worst-performing websites at a single glance without having to dig through raw data. Now, let's look at the data in a tabular format. You'll notice that each URL is categorized by device type, desktop versus mobile, and by browser environment, comparing standard sessions against incognito mode. To the right, the analysis results section automatically highlights the best and worst performing metrics for each specific URL. If you look toward the bottom of that same section, you'll see the global summary, which identifies the top and bottom performers across the entire batch of tested URLs. For a deeper dive, the succeeding sheets offer a granular view of each individual page. From here, you can launch the full HTML report directly. Each sheet also provides a detailed breakdown of that URL's performance, including specific audit and diagnostic names, direct links to optimization recommendations, and visual screenshots to help you identify exactly where the issues occur. At its core, this framework is engineered specifically for CI integration, prioritizing a fully automated workflow through 2 primary components. First, we utilize a cheat sheet as our foundational reference for defining cron schedules. This is then operationalized by the daily run YAML, which serves as the central engine of our CI pipeline. This YAML file automates the entire lifecycle. It handles the environment setup, manages dependency installation, and triggers the test execution. At the same time, it handles all data management in the background, archiving historical runs in the All Reports branch, updating the Today's Report branch, and finally, uploading a downloadable artifact for direct, immediate access to the results. ZenTest makes Lighthouse audits repeatable and automates reporting. Everything you need is included in the package. Learn more or purchase via GoMore.